Hey guys, I want to come at you with a quick little video here about how to do the Works Cited page and how to properly do your in-text citations. I'm using Charlotte's paper as an example because I asked her if I could, and she said yes, and she's done most of it correctly, but a couple of things were a little bit off, and I'll explain those too to maybe help you. All right, so the first thing is the Works Cited page is going to have all your references that you're going to structure just like you would structure a footnote with all the full citation information, including date of access. This Works Cited she had as references, and an MLA, we want to call it Works Cited, and we want to put it in the middle of the page. All right, so I gave that correction here. And then this citation has some weird stuff going on that I told her about, and she's going to fix it. I'm not sure it came from the site, but it just is not exactly how it should look. So she's going to work on that and try to do it manually. But the rest of these citations all look good. You'll notice that they're in alphabetical order here on the left. You'll notice that if you do not have the author, you put the title of the article as the first thing in the citation. Now, the first thing in the citation is really important because it's what's going to go in your parenthetical citations, right? And so let's talk about that first. So I've got, this is Mickey here, so we're going to do Control F. We're going to look for Mickey in the document, and there's the properly formatted citation with Mickey and McClelland, and that's exactly how it's supposed to look, right? It's supposed to match what's on the Works Cited page. Okay, so if we go to Pettinger, we can see the same thing. Although here's an issue, right? Like Pettinger should be somewhere in this document, and it's not. All right, now I know Ruth's is, but so this is something Charlotte would need to fix. Like, why is Pettinger here and it's not in the document? Ruth's is good because there's well, that's Truth's, and that's Truth's. But there's Ruth's, right? So there's the citation, and it matches what's on the Works Cited page. So that's good, okay? That's what we want. Whatever the first thing is here should be what's in the parenthetical citations, okay? That's really the key to understand this. Now, the other thing that is kind of tricky is what's called the hanging indent. So let me show you how to do that. So you'll notice that it kind of hangs here, and that's the right way to do it. So in order to get this accomplished, you're going to come to Paragraph, Align and Indent, and you're going to go to Indentation Options, and it says Hanging right here. So this is properly set, okay? And I don't know what this left is. Let's just ignore that. But for right now, this hanging should be selected. And if you put it to none, then it would seem like maybe we should be able to apply this. Maybe I set it to 0 and I can apply it now. And getting a menu popping up here that's kind of annoying in my way. Let's hide that. I can get rid of this menu. Collapse menu, apply. Okay, look, that there. Now it's not a hanging indent, right? It's just got a normal indent. Okay, so in order to get it back to what we want, we would highlight it. And just ignore those green things, right? Because the green things are because I'm in suggesting mode. So I'm going to switch to editing mode. Just go back, right? Let's go editing mode. So now I can do whatever I want to this without the green line. And again, format, align and indent, indentation options. Okay, it should be, so this time we'll put it as a hanging. And we'll put it as a 0.5 is what we want. All right, and so now it's properly formatted, okay? And if we take it out, we're going to go to Tools, Format rather, Align Indent, Indentation Options. We're going to change it to none, okay? And for some reason it doesn't give me that Apply button. So there, now it went back, you see? So this is what it should look like. It should. This is how it should not look. Rather, it says accessed. That's good, but the hanging indent is not there. So again, to get the hanging indent, come here, go to Format, Align Indent, Indentation Options, Hanging, and put that at 0.5, and say Apply. Okay? So the key is we've got a hanging indent on all of our citations. They're in alphabetical order. It says Works Cited at the top. and whatever is here should be what's in the parentheses. All right? If it doesn't exist in the document, like with this Pettinger, they should not be on the Works Cited page. Okay? That's it.